वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. Good evening everyone, myself Shavla Briza with my co-anchor Buddhadev Hirva. We are very happy to welcome you all today.
So today the talented girls of class 4 and 5 will begin the function by praying Lord Ganesha with their beautiful dance.
Do you know why every good book starts with worship of Lord Ganesha?
Yes, Lord Ganesha is called Vignaharta, the remover of obstacles. His blessing brings success, peace and happiness to everything we do.
So sit back, relax and enjoy this performance dedicated to Ganpati Bappa. So say with me, Ganpati Bappa,
Moria,
Ganpati Bappa,
Moria.
सुख करता दुख हरता वार्ता विघ्नाची पूर्वी पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदर शेंदुराची कंठी सलके बाल